If you are wondering what is the real difference between a bypass and a brushless motor, I have a good news for you. You are in the right place. Today I want to show you both, and which is the right choice in different situations, especially when it comes to safety in ATEX zones. Let's start with this, the bypass motor, the classic motor you can find on many single-phase industrial vacuums. These motors are engineered for industrial use, with a high durability and a great performance in demanding environments. As you can see, they are compact and powerful. This makes them the perfect choice for industrial housekeeping and intermittent cleaning around machines. The name bypass comes from the way the two streams of air pass through the motor. One to pick up the dust, the other one to keep the motor ventilated. Inside, you will find two carbon brushes that rub against the rotor to make it spin. Those brushes create frictions and tiny sparks, wear out over time, and have an average lifespan of 1,200 hours. So bypass motors ensure great performance and are the perfect solution for intermittent use. But they're not designed to operate 24/7 or to be used into potentially explosive areas such as ATEX zones. Now, let's look at this, the brushless motor. Brushless literally means no carbon brushes, rubbing on the rotor and generating sparks or frictions. So, how does it work? The motor is controlled by an electronic circuit board, not mechanically, and this, as you can understand, generates some clear benefits. No friction means no ignition source, and this is why these brushless motors are the only single-phase motors we recommend to be used in ATEX areas, regardless the protection level of the machine. Brushless motors are the ideal choice when your cleaning cycles are longer and more frequent, when you need less maintenance and more consistency, or when you need a spark-free motor, such as in potential explosive atmosphere. If you're not sure which motor technology is the right choice for your application, or you work in an area with strict safety requirements, talk to us. We will help you to configure the best setup for your need.